Okay, in this video I'm going to be talking about Chapman precision screwdrivers. This is the first set that I got. It's the Gunsmith set 8900, and I just got this. This is kit number 5589. I'm going to tell you about the features, what comes in this set, and then, if I can, talk you into investing in this set as your first Gunsmith screwdriver set. The set comes with a handle and an extender, so you can build a screwdriver like this. The set also comes with a miniature ratchet, which can slide right over the end of this extender. So now I can tighten things in, flip the ratchet over, loosen things up. The set also comes with a vinyl pouch, which will accommodate the ratchet, a handful of bits, and even a spinner, so you can have everyday carry. I really like these little spinners. You can slide a bit into them, and now you can tighten things with just fingertip pressure this way. And in fact, if you look closely at the ends of these bits, they have knurling or texturing, so your fingers can gain purchase on them and tighten things very gently, like that. So what's the difference between these two sets? Well, first, they both have the same flathead screwdriver bits and the same standard hex bits, and by standard I mean non-metric. And both sets have the same two Phillips head screwdriver bits. What's different is that this set also comes with star bits for your Torx screws, as well as this bit right here for your 1911 grip screw. Also, you can buy these trays individually at the Chapman manufacturing website. Each tray holds 8 bits, so you can extend your set by 24 bits. Just go to the Chapman website and look at the selection available. And in case you haven't noticed, these flathead screwdriver bits are hollow ground, so you can avoid stripping the heads of the screws in your firearms. Once again, these are precision screwdriver bits made in the USA. These are not run-of-the-mill handyman screwdrivers. If you're one of those gun owners who is content to continue stripping all the heads of all the screws in your favorite guns, that's your decision. I'm not here to judge. However, if I may be candid, there is a reason why the acquaintances you have at the shooting range have a tendency to want to stand very far to one side or the other while you're shooting. It has to do with all the chewed up screws, all of the scratches all over your guns. Honestly, you're an embarrassment.